Lenovo's ThinkPad X1 Carbon and X1 Yoga have always been a showcase for its latest and greatest business features, but it's outdone itself for says 2018, and you don't have to look hard to see the improvements. Both the new 6th Gen X1 Carbon laptop and 3rd Gen X1 Yoga have WQHD-resolution 14-inch displays, 2560 x 1440 pixels, with 100% Adobe RGB color gamut, brightness up to 500 nits and, pending a future update, support for Dolby Vision HDR for greater brightness, contrast, and color palette. For business travelers who spend more time watching Netflix on a laptop than a TV, HDR could really improve your experience. Then there are the new 360-degree far field mix that not only allow you to wake the PCs, but take advantage of Amazon Alexa services, so you can shop, search and control your life anywhere you are with your laptop. Plus, built into the thin displays are webcams that have been fitted with new physical shutters to block the cameras on each system with just a simple slider. When it comes to what's inside, here's what you can expect to find in both. Processors up to Intel 8th Gen Core i7 up to 16GB of memory, 2133 MHz, up to 1TB SSDC Intel UHD graphics 620 Intel 802.1 AC dual band wireless. 2x2 global LTE wireless.